Cointiply operates as a legitimate platform where users can earn cryptocurrency through various activities including surveys, videos, games, and offers. While it has established a track record of paying users, it's crucial to acknowledge that earnings are generally low and require a substantial time investment. User feedback on Trustpilot and Reddit reflects a mix of experiences, with some finding it a viable way to earn small amounts of crypto, while others consider the time to reward ratio unfavorable. Essentially, Cointiply is best suited for those seeking to earn beer money or small amounts of cryptocurrency during their spare time. It is not a platform that will generate a significant amount or income. Therefore, users should approach Cointiply with realistic expectations, understanding that it's a legitimate, albeit low-paying, avenue for earning cryptocurrency. So that's basically it.